In the last 60 days, I grow my LinkedIn followers to up to 120%. Previously, it was, you can see the flight line, but after using this secret AI tool, you can see my followers increased constantly, and now I'm getting around the 2 or 5 to 11 followers every day. So this tool not only helped me to grow my followers, but it also grow my other things as well. Like with the help, I got the post impression increase, I got the profile viewers more compared to the previous, and they are the more searching appearance I am getting with this tool. So without wasting any more time, let me show this tool. So the tool name is the Powerin, and with the help of this AI LinkedIn tool, you can just automate your commenting or the objectives that you can post on the others people's comment here on automation. And because this tool is so much good, believe me, it is going to find out all the profile that is the highly relevant to your industry. For example, if I give you the demo, you can see this is the dashboard, and this is the history section I am showing you, and all the comment it is doing in the history. So you can check it out. These are the time on which time it has commented. This is the search query on that this search keyword it has done the it's searching, and after that find the LinkedIn profile and post and then commented. This is the comment and this is the reaction this comments got. Okay, so this is how this tool is going to help you. And if I go to my LinkedIn profile, go to the notification section, you will be checked this person replied to my comment. If I go to the comment section, I will show you. You can see this is the comment, and it is automatically done by the Powerin platform. You can see elevate your game with this essential tool. They can take your business from good to great. And there's also the emoji. There's also the hashtag. And let me show you the original post. This is the highly relevant. Are you selling yourself? Sort stop now. If you have found the product, basically this post talking about the few tools that you can use for the social media and the search you. Okay, and here you can check out elevate your game with these essential tools. So this comment is highly relevant to the post that is the posted by this person. So this is how this Powerin platform works. So let me give you the overall demo of this platform, and actually its platform is pretty good, available right now with just $39 one-time payment on the lifetime deal, available in the app Sumo. And all you need to just get is this lifetime deal, log into your Powerin platform, and after that you have to install the plugin. So let me show the plugin. This is the plugin I am talking about, and if I click it here, you can see Powerin activated and works on its own in the background. No action are required. You can even close your browser and enjoy the peace of mind. Okay, so you don't have to do anything at all. Just get the Powerin lifetime deal here, log into your dashboard of the Powerin, install the Chrome extension, and you are done. And after that, what you can do, you can just automate its personalization. So if I go to the dashboard, it will show you my customization. If I go to target option here, you can check it out, the connected account here. And after that, this is the configuration thing about me, basically what I am person about, like I am the male, and how I'm going to interact with the emojis or not, I'm going to add the hashtags in the comments or not, post the comments automatically or not. You can customize this thing, post as the company or not. If you want to post as the company, you have to add your company profile URL here, and after that you can see tag authors. So what I can do, if I click it here, now what it will do, it will tag other authors in the comment as well. So this is the thing, and how you can customize the targeting here. And if I go to the personalization tone, it is going to personalize your customization commenting tone here. For example, you can see this is my account, and here I have to select my language style. This is the passive voice I mostly use. This is the semi formatted, and here you need to also add some of the comments examples here, so it can analyze and again going to post the comment in the same tone you usually do. Let me go to the notifications again, and let me show you. You can see these are all the comments I have done using the with this autopilot plugin. That name is the Powerin. Okay, so if you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description. And if I go to its plans and features, there's also the other plans as well compared to its tier 1 that is starting from the $39. So you can see you can target up to 20 accounts per day, 20 comments per day, tone of the voice you can select, and these are the other features you will get. And if you want more accounts or the more comments credits, you have to go with this plan 2 or plan 3. Plus somehow if you are not happy with this Powerin LinkedIn automation tool, you can just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back. Okay, so this is all I want to talk about this magical and the secret AI tool for the LinkedIn automation that you can use to increase your followers, increase your post views, impression, and even the searchings profiles. Okay, and right now I have even given you the testimonial and the exactly the results how I am getting the more followers using the Powerin. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care. And if you want to check out the Powerin detailed deal page here, the link will be given in the description. And there's also the regularly I post new SaaS tools reviews, comparisons, and the updates. So make sure you also check out my YouTube channel. This is the link you will find in the description, and you can also subscribe the channel to stay updated with regular new video. So right now, which tool I want to tell you that you should not miss out. This is the one, Sales Splink. This is the cold emailing marketing tool for the marketers. Using the AI, you can just put your old emailing outreaching on the automation. Right now we have done the LinkedIn comment automation, but using this tool you can do the outreaching for your cold emails on the automation. So you can also find this links Sales Splink retail video link in the description. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.